Hi there, food lovers! In this video, I am making fruit salad recipe, Filipino style. This is one of the desserts that I love to make when I was still in the Philippines. It's really good, and in this particular recipe, turned out really delicious. So if you want to know how to make this, keep on watching. So let's begin. You will need young coconut sliced into strips, sweet mango, I got mine from Costco, fruit cocktail drained, Fuji apple sliced into small cubes, raisins, cheese, I used Velveeta, all-purpose cream, and condensed milk. Anyway, all the exact measurements are in the description box down below. Alright, so let's begin. First off, get a mixing bowl, place in drained fruit cocktail, young coconut meat, mango, Fuji apple, and all-purpose cream. Then you are going to give it a good mix to combine all the ingredients, just like so. Time to add condensed milk. Continue mixing. You can adjust the sweetness according to your desired taste. And then lastly, you are going to add in raisins and cheese. Then you're just going to mix and mix and mix until it is all fully combined. Alright, so this recipe, as what I have mentioned earlier, it's really good, it's delicious. You know when Filipinos say, tama lang, hindi masyadong matamis. This is the recipe. Alright, thank you so much for watching.